Feet on the sand where the world feels slow. Salt in the air where the trade winds blow. Heartbeats whisper to the ocean's glow. Freedom calls like a conch shell tone. Dreams on my back like a traveler's pack, carrying stars that I'll never give back. Oh, life's the way we ride so high. Passion burns beneath the sky. Love and laughter, they collide, chasing dreams. Let's never hide. Let's never hide. Friendships sparkle like the sea at noon, traveling roads under endless moons. Every corner holds a secret tune. Happiness blooms like a flower in June. The rhythm of the tide, it knows our name. Every step we take, it fuels the flame. Boundless skies and no 2 days the same. Living wild, this life's no game. Life's a wave we ride so high. Passion burns beneath the sky. Love and laughter, they collide, chasing dreams. Let's never hide. Let's never hide. Feet in the sand, I feel the earth hum. Heart in my chest like a beating drum. The sun's a painter splashing gold on my skin. I breathe it in, I breathe it in. The ocean whispers stories I never knew. The horizon smiles wide in every hue. Give me waves, give me wings. Let me soar, let me sing. Let the world spin wild while I chase my dream. Every road, every shore, every open door. Life's a fire and I'm burning for more. Friendship's a breeze that won't let you fall. Laughter's a net that catches it all. We're sails in the wind, we're stars in the sky. No goodbyes, no goodbyes. Freedom's a rhythm that never stands still. Dreams are a mountain I'm ready to climb at a will. Give me way.